Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. My name is Rachit Garg. Today we are going to present you the only commercial in the vicinity. We are here at Sector 37D, Dwarka Expressway, where Elante Group is coming up with a commercial project. Talking about the project, it's one of the most promising commercial projects being constructed by Elante Group. The reason behind this, Elante is the most reputable and successful developer who always deliver its project to their clients on time. Talking about the development, Gurgaon has recently shown a massive increase in the field of education and industrial hub. This is the reason Gurgaon has become main center for lots of developers like BPTB, Signature, Adani, Sobha, Elan, and now Elante is entering in this market also. This is the first high street retail coming up in Sector 37. Why this project is in demand? The reason behind this, it's surrounded by the great projects in Sector 37D like BPTB, Signature's affordable, Signature's high rise coming up with an ultra luxurious size, Navraj, Ramprasad Township, and many more. If I talk about connectivity, ये commercial project द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे से 500 meters की distance पे है, जो कि 150 meter wide road है. If I want to go to SPR or CPR, it hardly takes 15 minutes drive away from this project. और अगर मुझे IGI airport और द्वारका जाना हो, then it also take 15 minute drive away. Basically, ये commercial project it's the center of Dwarka Expressway with nearby all high residents. Talking about Elante Group, this group has 15 years experience of making ultra luxurious builder floor. Now they are entering into a commercial market on Dwarka Expressway. So I'm giving you a short brief about this commercial project which is coming on 37D Dwarka Expressway. This project is coming in a land bank of 2.1 acres in which they are going to deliver 204 units approximately, and the sizes will be starting from 1200 square feet. So they are coming up with lower ground floor, first floor to fourth floor. So it's a basically two-side open property. On ground floor, Elante Group is coming up with retail shop along with cafes. अगर बात करता हूँ first floor की retail shop along with food courts, and second floor पे they are coming out with 3 multiplex with restaurant spaces, and third and fourth floor पे they are coming up with gaming zone and gymnasium. So this is the best time and the best opportunity to invest in this project as the investment start from 70 lakh. If you have any kind of query regarding this project, you can call us on the given number below, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Have a good day.